Hey, welcome back. Today is May 6th, Thursday. Before anything else, please do be aware of any fake profiles down in the YouTube comment section below, asking you guys to contact some random numbers or individuals, especially the ones pretending to be my name and profile picture. I will not ask you guys to contact any random numbers or individuals. So if you see a fake profile like that, it's better if you guys just report it. Now on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, and see how it could potentially affect the overall altcoin markets before diving into NuCypher and Scale network token and see what has gone on in these markets. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on these markets, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, as I'll be keeping updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you want to support me and don't have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 2 free stocks after you sign up for an account and deposit $100 and I will also get a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on these markets. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in these markets, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will try my best to get to as many of them as possible. See what's going on in these markets first. Most importantly, I do take a look into Bitcoin dominance. Tells me where the money could be trending into, would it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither. Right now, we do have Bitcoin dominance down about 0.9%. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action pulling back again by almost 3%. Total altcoin market cap pulling back by 1.2%, about there. Less than that of Bitcoin's. Now, this would be the downside of Bitcoin dominance trending downwards, as I will usually see. Total altcoin market cap pulling back by less than that of Bitcoin's. I usually emphasize Bitcoin dominance to trend downwards still, because that's generally better for the altcoins on both the upside and downside. Because conversely speaking, if Bitcoin dominance was trending upwards, the downside of that I will usually see total altcoin market cap pulling back by more than that of Bitcoin's. Monthly time frame here for Bitcoin dominance. The next key support here is going to be about the 45% fit level area. If Bitcoin dominance continues down here, that's more ideal for the altcoins. Monthly time frame, we are still in very overbought territory, about 86 out of 100, since we have pulled back from an RSI reading of about 92 there. Now, if the price action wants to make a higher high here on the monthly time frame on the RSI, if the price action wants to make a higher high here for Bitcoin on the monthly time frame, it does need to beat the last high RSI reading here of about 92 to negate bearish divergence. Not a time frame I lose track of, because we have been in overbought territory before, according to Bitcoin history, and do take a look into what happens. One data point of pulling back on here is 1 month's worth of time. Daily time frame, we have closed back on top of the daily 50 MA and the daily 21 MA as of yesterday's close, and now we're getting resistance again. Looks like it's trying to break down again. So if Bitcoin pulls back at any time, it could still have a bearish effect on the altcoins. That bearish effect will be greater if Bitcoin dominance is trending higher. Let's go over to NuCypher. On the weekly time frame, which would be the highest time frame, we actually do have RSI data here, and we're currently about 53, so not in overbought territory. As I have also mentioned last time, that I have refreshed the charts here to rechart a bigger falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame. Looks like the price action did try to break out last week, okay? So I will adjust my measure target according to last week's breakout point, which will give me approximately just right underneath 97 cents now, okay? Adjusted for last week's candle where it looks like the price action did try to break out, and right now the price action is actually above that falling wedge pattern. Let's take a look into some of the key supports and resistances relevant to this price action right now. Key resistance, it looks like the price action did try to break out. However, it did on the 3-day time frame here. It did get rejected by the 3-day 21 MA here as we actually zoom in and look at the price action. So immediately, key resistance, the daily 21 MA. Okay, that's right above the price action right now. Followed by the daily 50 MA, which is the white line here. Next up would be about the 55 cents fib level area, which is also where the 3-day 21 MA is. So expect quite a bit of resistance from where the price action is right now to about the 55 cents fib level area. There's quite a bit of major moving averages there along with a fib level. Followed by about the 65 cents fib level area. Next one up would be about the 80 cents fib level area. And I could expect resistance coming from this group of past trading history here beyond the 80 cents fib level area. So from immediately about 81 cents to about 90 cents. Beyond that, I could expect resistance coming from about $1 to about $1 and right underneath $1.15 there. Key support, the weekly 21 MA is actually where exactly the price action is right now, or very close to where the price action is right now. It's the blue line here. So it's being blocked by quite a bit of these candles here, but that has just appeared about 2 weeks ago, and that is key support right now. Next up would be about the 45 cents fib level area. Next one down would be about the 33 cents, which was the neckline of a previous cup and handle pattern. So that would be the next support here. I could expect some support if the price action does come back down here again. Next one down would not be too far below, would be about the 30 cents fib level area. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario. Looking at the daily time frame here, if price action continues this breakout and breaks on top of some of these key resistances here, okay? The daily 21 MA is immediate key resistance, followed by the daily 50 MA and the 3-day 21 MA, followed by about the 55 cents fib level area. So these are going to be some of the key resistances and major moving averages the price action does need to get over to continue this breakout. And the bullish case scenario would be if the price action could get over some of these major moving averages and key resistances and continue this breakout and go towards its measured targets. Now, measured targets are theoretical approximate targets only, may actually be different in real life price action more or less. Bearish case scenario, price actions break support here, okay? We do have quite a bit of support beneath the price action right now, including the weekly 21 MA, like I said, followed by about the 45 cents fib level area. If neither of these supports hold, that would not look good. The next level of support I'll be looking at would be about the 33 cents neckline of the previous cup and handle pattern and seeing if that holds. Let's take a look into Skale Network. Weekly time frame is also the highest time frame here, where we do actually have RSI data where we are at about 62, so not in overbought territory. I did also mention that from last time that the falling wedge pattern here did need to be recharted because the previous ascending triangle pattern did get invalidated with more downward price action. If the price action does actually break out of this falling wedge pattern, which looks like it has tried last week and this week as well. However, I don't think I would consider that to be successful just yet. I think getting a daily candle close above this top trend line here will be a safer signal. So I'm going to keep this measure target where it is at the apex for now. And the measure target here would be just right underneath $1.10. And measure targets, again, are theoretical approximate targets only. May actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Let's take a look into some of the key supports and resistances relevant to this price action right now. Key resistance, immediately, the daily 50 MA, the white line. Next one up would be about the 70 cents fib level area. Next one up would be about the 85 cents fib level area. And I can expect resistance coming from past trading history here almost immediately after that 85 cents fib level area. From about 87 cents to about 90 cents. So a little bit of short range there. Beyond that, I could expect resistance coming from these three past trading history here. So from about a little less than $1.10 here to as high as right underneath $1.30. That's beyond the measure target. Key support, daily 21 MA, the blue line right underneath the price action. 3-day 21 MA, I would still consider that to be a key support as we have not officially closed below that major moving average just yet. Next one down will be about the 60 cents fib level area. And then about the 45 cents fib level area before the weekly 21 MA. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario, price action breaks out of this falling wedge pattern. Falling wedge patterns, according to Thomas Bukowski and his website, thepatternSite.com, it is a 68% chance of it breaking to the upside. So bullish case scenario, price action breaks to the upside of this falling wedge pattern. And like I said, I think the safer signal to be looking for here would be a daily candle close above this top trend line, as the price action has not yet been able to get that just yet. Breaks out of this falling wedge pattern and go towards this measured target, mining some of those resistance levels I have just pointed out, as those could be points of rejection. Bearish case scenario, price action continues down this falling wedge pattern, okay, then I can expect another swing down to this bottom trend line here, which would be quite a bit of a significant down move. So I'll be looking out for if the price action breaks any key support here immediately would be the daily 21 MA. Next one down would be the daily 21 MA is actually where it's very close to where the 3-day 21 MA is. So these two major moving averages. Next one down would be about the 60 cents fib level area. So quite a bit of key support here, right underneath the price action right now. If these key supports and major moving averages do not hold, the next key support I'll be looking at would be about the 45 cents fib level area, and seeing if that holds before looking at the weekly 21 MA. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know your agreements, disagreements, feedback. I'd love to hear them. Hope you manage your risk carefully, and if you'd like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.